So we have done derivatives of inverse function and we have done sums based on that. So now we will do the derivatives of logarithmic functions. Why logarithmic functions are required? Because we sometimes we are having fx, like there is a function, you have to find out dy by dx, and y is a function of x. So it will be easy for you to find out dy by dx. But if fx into gx हो या फिर in some cases fx का power gx, okay, fx is a function of x and gx function of x, and fx to the power gx to the power hx, अगर ऐसे functions हो then it will be difficult for you to find out the dy by dx derivatives निकालना difficult हो. In that case we'll use logarithmic functions. कैसे होता है? if d log of y will be divided by dx, मतलब log of y का अगर dx हमें find out करना है, so it will be 1 upon y dy by dx, okay. and अगर in case if d log of x है divided by dx, in that case it will be 1 upon x, because it is a function of x and you have to find out अगर जो dy by dx you have to find out, so y is equal to log x है, then it will be easy for you to find out dy by dx. so derivative of function of x है तो derivative of y with respect to x find out कर सकते हैं. But if the function is if y is equal to या फिर जो भी है, we have to find out the derivative of a function of y with respect to x. in that case पहले तो इस log y divided by dy करेंगे and then मतलब d log y divided by dy and multiplied by dy by dx. so it will be log of y का derivative of log of y with respect to x हमें find out करना. so when we'll find out the derivative of log y with respect to y, वो क्या मिलेगा? that will be 1 upon y, but we have to find out dy by dx भी, because with respect to x we have to find out. so in that's why we have written dy upon dx. ठीक है, वैसे लिखते हैं. but in case of this one, ये एक function of x है, so derivative with respect to x we have to find out, so it will be 1 upon x. ठीक है. so logarithmic functions हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए use करते हैं. if normally if we have to find out fx multiplied by gx, इसके लिए भी हम u and v का functions लेकर चलते हैं, like du y is equal to u upon v, and उसके लिए dy by dx हम find out करें, तो that is a bit कि हम कर सकते हैं, we can do this, but it will be a bit complicated. लेकिन when we'll use log it will be very easy. fx divided by gx है, in that case also we can do this, but it will be a bit complicated. but when we'll apply log हम apply करके find out करेंगे, it will be easy for us to find out the value, find out the derivative of any function with respect to x. okay, so that's why we are using logarithmic values, and there is some rules of logarithm. so we'll see that rules, कुछ rules हैं logarithm के, logarithmic values find out करने के लिए there are some rules that we can use, and derivatives भी find out करना easy होगा. okay, तो basically log होता क्या है? log of, जैसे log of हमने x लिखा, it means nothing is written here, so ये होता है base e. log is the log function to the base e is called natural log. so जो भी log का base e है that is not natural log. sometime we can write कुछ base हम डालते भेजे, like base 2 पे डाला या base 10 हुआ, okay, या base a हुआ, anything. so that is, but this one is called as natural log. ठीक है. and log actually होता कैसा है कि if a is equal to b to the power c, it means log के टर्म में हम कैसे लिखेंगे? it means log of a to the base b will be equal to c. so now we'll see the basic laws of logarithm. तो logarithm के कुछ laws हैं. तो what are the basic laws of logarithm? these are things जो कि will be required and that will be useful in finding out derivatives. so log of mn to the base a, will be equal to log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. Okay. Okay. Now log of m upon n to the base a will be equal to log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. Okay. Okay. So just remember one thing, when we are taking m multiplied by n, in that case we have to add it, and m divided by n subtraction use करेंगे. Okay. So log of m n to the base a, log of m plus log of n. Okay. Log of m divided by n, log of m minus log of n. Log of m to the base to the power n to the base a, it will be n log m to the base a. Okay. Similarly, when we have log of m to the base n, log of m to the base a divided by log of n to the base a. Okay. And log of e के लिए हम 1 यूज करते हैं. Why? Because here we are talking about the natural. कोई base नहीं given है ना. जब भी base is not given, sometimes we are writing base m to the base a. I mean log of m to the base a. It means the base is a. Sometimes we are just writing log of m. No base. We are not mentioning any base. In that case, by default this is a natural log. Natural log मतलब base e है. Okay. So if natural log है base e, if log of e to the base e will be 1 na, so log of e to the base e will be 1. Okay. And it means कोई भी चीज का log we are taking and base भी अगर same है, it will be, value will be 1. So log of e is 1 because we have natural, not mentioned, base कोई mention नहीं है, so it is natural log, so it will be 1. And that will be equal to log of a to the base a, log of m to the base m, log of 10 to the base 10, anything, log of anything with the same base. अगर हम वही number का base लेते हैं, log of x to the base x will be 1. Okay. Now the last one, log of a to the power x will be to the base a will be equal to x. क्यों? Because log of x, log of a to the base x, log of a to the power x to the base a will be, यहाँ पे हम कैसे लिखेंगे, x will write here and then log of a to the base a, and as we know that log of a to the base a will be 1, so it will be equal to x. Okay. So that's why it is x. Okay. So we have a question, find dy by dx and y is equal to 3 plus x to the power x. यहाँ पे हमें we have to use logarithm. So क्या करेंगे, both the side, applying logarithm both the sides, it will be log of y is equal to log of 3 plus x to the power x. करेंगे. Okay, we'll write. So it will be equal to, ये तो वैसे ही रहेगा, log of y. Now this will change. क्या होगा, x log 3 plus x. Okay, 3 plus x. ठीक है. Now we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to, we have to find out the derivatives both the side with respect to x. So it will be log of y to the divided by dx. Okay. This side u and v के term में will write. So keeping this constant, we'll find out the derivative of log 3 plus x divided by dx plus, now keeping this constant 3 plus x, we have to find out the derivative of x. So dx upon dx. Okay. So it will be 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to x will right here, and log of derivative of log of 3 plus x will be 1 upon 3 plus x, and 3 plus x का derivative we have to find out, but that will be 1, so there will be no change, we no need to multiply anything with this. And now derivative of this one, now derivative of x will be 1, so we'll write here, so 3 plus log of 3 plus x multiplied by 1. Okay. Now so dy by dx will be equal to, y will multiply this side and x upon 3 plus x plus log of 3 plus x. Okay. So it will be equal to, y का value is 3 plus x to the power x and multiplied by x divided by 3 plus x plus log of 3 plus x. Log of 3 plus x. So this value. So this is the value of, this will be the value of dy upon dx. So we have a question, we have to find out dy by dx. Y का value is x to the power x to the power x. So what we'll do, we'll apply log both the side. It will be log of y and this side log of x to the power x to the power x. So this will be, and this will be log of y and this will be x to the power x हम यहाँ लिखेंगे and this will be log of x. Now find out different, we have to find out the derivative of log y with respect to x. So d of log y divided by dx will be equal to, now u v के टर्म में will take, तो x to the power x को constant रखेंगे, then we'll find out the derivative of this one, d log of x divided by dx. Okay, and plus now we'll keep this constant, log of x को constant रखेंगे and we have to find out the derivative of dx to the power x divided by dx. ठीक है, so it will be 1 upon y multiplied by dy by dx is equal to x to the power x and log of x is 1 upon x. ठीक है, now log of x will write here and we'll take x to the power x को will take u. Okay, let, now applying log both the side, du log of u will be equal to log of x to the power x. So it means log of u is equal to x log x. ठीक है, okay, now applying this log both the side, log 1 upon u divided by du upon dx is equal to x into log of x को हम differentiate करेंगे. Now again we'll keep this constant and इसको differentiate करेंगे, we'll get log of x. ठीक है, so what value we are getting, du upon dx के लिए, this is u ना, तो du upon dx के लिए what value we are getting, u will be this side and x upon x cancel, so 1 plus log of x and du upon dx will be equal to, u का value is x to the power x, so x to the power x and multiplied by 1 plus log of x. ठीक है, so इस तरह से we'll find out the value of du by dx and we'll put the value of du by dx here. So it will be x to the power x multiplied by 1 plus log of x. ठीक है, okay, now तो dy by dx will be equal to, y को इधर लिखेंगे and x to the power x divided by x. So we can also write this x का power -1 हुआ ना यहाँ पे, so we'll do that, plus log of x multiplied by, okay, we'll write this first, x to the power x and multiplied by 1 plus log x multiplied by log x. ठीक है, this value, so it will be equal to, y का value is x to the power x and this will be x to the power x minus 1 and plus x to the power x into 1 plus log x multiplied by log x. ठीक है, this value, so this value will be the value of dy by dx. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.